Good morning, Divergence traders. Just having a cup of Java here right now, so if you hear some slurps, please excuse me. But anyway, we sure did have a big freaking dump today, eh? Dump on the charts, like, wow. Crazy. So, let's look at the NASDAQ 5-minute. Now, I could be wrong, okay? But I've seen this movie more than 200 times, I'd say. I've been trading Forex and looking at charts since 2005. And I've saw this so many times where they have the news and it does this huge drop, and then it does something like this, and then they take it back up, right back up here to where the fall started, right? And if they're really into it, whoever's controlling this price movement, by the end of the day, okay, they'll take it right back up to the highs up here. And if not today, tomorrow, the next day, and then it'll jump to new highs. This was the recent high, the all-time high, right? And then they'll take it back up and take it through the highs, if that is their intention. But you see how they sold off 18,000. But anyway, I've always seen it come back and go right to where they started the news event. And I'm sure you guys have seen that too a few times in your trading career. It's just stalling right now in a sideways pattern. Who knows? Maybe they'll take it right back down again and push lower. I don't know, but I'm just telling you what I've seen before. When this started rallying up here, I thought it was going to keep going. Like by now, like lunchtime, that it was going to be right here where it started. But it's just doing a little sideways shuffle right now. Of course, there's no trade to get in there. Okay, but here is the trade. Let me show you. So, right there to right there. And the trade was to buy it right in here. Right in here. Okay. And how far did it go up? So you bought right there. You got a little bit of drawdown, 45 points, but your stop is always at the swing low. So you can see right now we're in profit by like 83 points. Nothing like Tim Hortons Java at home. Instant coffee is so good. But you go to Tim Hortons, the actual donut shop, and their freaking coffee is horrible. Whoever's roasting the beans, they burn them. They freaking burn them every freaking time, man. I can't drink that coffee anymore. Only the stuff you can buy in the grocery store. Sorry, I wasn't supposed to drink this coffee during, me shooting this. But I came here with my coffee, and then I looked at the time and I went, holy shit, I should have done my video like an hour ago. I should have started. That's why I'm in this situation. Okay, so I'm looking for this to break out and go at least up to here. But I could be wrong. I don't have a crystal ball. But I wanted to explain to you how I've seen this happen so many times. It's like a movie repeating. You know what I'm saying? And I know you've all seen that stuff too. Okay, I'm going to pause the video and hopefully start it up again and finish my coffee. All right, I'm back. Market didn't do much. Looks like it's going to slowly drift up and take out this high and maybe go up there. But what do I know? I'm just a wino. I don't know for sure. I'm guessing. Sometimes when you guess, you're wrong. I think you're wrong more at guessing than actually knowing. Anyway. Okay. That was the trade there. There was no trade to sell it, obviously, and why would you? There's news. A very important news thing, too. Okay, let's move on now to the S and the P. Okay, basically the same trade. Low, retracement, lower low. Okay. Okay. So you would have bought right on the opening of the candle with the arrow underneath it. Your stop would be at the swing low, okay, 10 points below where the entry was. Okay. And you would have got your 10 points right there, 1-to-1. What about up here? Didn't quite hit the 2-to-1 yet. But that's the trade. Can't believe it's the opposite of what actually happened here, huh? We're not selling down here. No, no, no. And you can see every time it happens, ladies and gentlemen, every time it puts in the lower low, they take out the stops, then it goes up, as you know. And what happened after it went up here, ladies and gentlemen? Did the price come back down to this swing low right here and get your stop? No, it didn't. Instead, like the NASDAQ, it's looking to drift up higher into the end of the day and probably right back to the top where the fall started. The price falling down really fast, like a waterfall. Okay, let's move on now to the Dow. What did it do? Yeah, same trade. Look at that, except it's went down. It's a huge move that went down. I want to show you how much. 536 points, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, there was 2 trades on here. The first one is here. You see this here? Came up here and then they slam dunked it down right below that recent low. Right there. That is a hook down, ladies and gentlemen. So if you would have sold right there on the opening of the next candle, and say you use this as your stop, your emergency stop would be 139 points. But how much did it go down? Didn't go down 139. Well, it went down 132 points. You definitely would have got profit out of this down move right here. Okay? And then there's this move right now. Don't know if it'll work out. Don't know. But it's hidden divergence right here. Right as we speak. Right there. Okay, did I tell you I'm not a financial advisor? This is not a trade signal. I'm just showing you the setup, okay? And that is the setup if it works out. Don't know. Okay, let's move on now to the pound dollar. Oh, it's going in a sideways shuffle. It had the same trade, but it didn't freaking go anywhere. And that figures. It's the pound. It's, you know... But there's divergence right here. I'll just point that out to you anyway. Low and lower low right there. And right from here, right up to here. And it's pointing up. So what does that mean? Price is supposed to go back up. But as you can see, it's doing crap. Crappy movement right here. Okay? So yeah, it would have been a buy right here on the opening of this candle. And no, it did not hit your take profit. Your stop was 18 pips, and it did not go up 18 pips. It only went up 12. And it's doing crap after that. Let's move on now to the Euro US dollar. There's no trade there like the other charts. This didn't come back far enough. There's no trade. There's no trade there. There's no trade up here before the news. Only crazy people would try and jump in before the news. You got to wait and see where it's falling or rising to before you jump in a trade when you have that big spike. You know what I mean? This is the pound yen, okay? And it was a nice winner today for the pound yen. Right off the news spike. Buy right there. You're safe as safe could be. Yeah. Remember what I told you about these little doodahs on the one side? Okay. See how this is pointing up? That means price is going to go up. That's what that means. Okay. So you would have got in along right there. Stop at the swing low, 46 points, pips, pound yen, 46. Oh, it's up here, 47. Right there is 46 pips, ladies and gentlemen. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio and be loving it. And there's one other trade along the way I want to show you. Okay, right here, from here to there. Hard to see bullish divergence, okay, is what that is. And you would have got in right there on the opening of this candle, okay, because you drew it from here to here. So you got to get in after the fact, right? So when you got in long right here, did it come back and hit your stop that would have been placed at the closest swing low on the chart? No. Instead, it kept going up in your favor. La-dee-da. How is that possible? 23 pip stop, and it went up 42 pips. You see that, ladies and gentlemen? Like I've been telling you like the other day, isn't that like just a weird phenomenon that it keeps doing that? It's like, I think it is anyway. It doesn't come back to your stop. It's just insane. It did have a little bit of drawdown right here, but your stop would have been right there, and it never hit your stop, and it went up, and it gave you your profit. Okay? And let me show you. Hold on. I know what you want to see. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Right? And one more of those just for fun, just for laughs and giggles. Right? Right there. Lower close, buy it on the opening of this candle right here. Up it goes. Yep. Euro yen, what did it do? Yeah, the trade was still there. Wow, a little hard to see at first, but it's still there. Oh. Yeah, that's it. Sometimes it's just hard to see. Hard to see it, man. I tell you, if you were looking at these charts, looking for these freaking angled lines and which way they point up or down, you would get a little mixed up at times too, okay? Because it is a little wacko, but I'm telling you, the shit is here. When I got long right in here, after it did this roll up, it's like a roll up. Woo, woo, see that? Roll up. Right there, would have got long. Your stop right, oh, it's actually down here. The stop is down here. Well, no, it's right here, 16, 17 pep stop. It's right at the closest swing low, and that's the closest swing low, not this. You see, usually I measure the take profit, which is the same as the stop, from the bar where I draw the divergence to. See, right here. That's why that's mixed me up a little bit. You could either put your stop there or there. This one would have given you a bigger target. And how much did it go up? Hmm. 36. So the take profit would be 36. Well, there's only 19. There's 36 right up to the top there to R3. See that? Woo! Gotta love it. Okay. And there was a few, lower close, buy it, up it goes. Lower close right here, buy it, up it goes. Yeah, they're there too. Let's look at gold. Oh, that's the pip snagger. Sorry. Yeah, this is the chart we want. 5 minute. Wow, how much did that come down? 430 freaking pips or points, ticks, whatever. Wow. Wowzers. Okay. The trade is right from here, right down, all the way down, just like on the other charts. Why is that? Why is that? Why does it look so similar? I don't know. I don't know, Billy. What do you think? I don't know. We just don't know. I know. Believe me, I know. I know why they look the same. There's a reason. See what I got long right here? Hasn't really gone anywhere yet, but it only went up 25 points. And your stop is right here, 52 points. Now, what was it I was showing yesterday, and I missed the setup, and I want to show you that today. So let me go back and see which one it was. It's right here. There's a setup right here. High and higher high, and it's counter trend, according to the current move up, right? And yeah, you would have entered right here. That's the trade I forgot yesterday. I think maybe not. Maybe it's some other chart. Not sure. But this one, okay, you would have got in right there. This is from yesterday, ladies and gentlemen. I had to skip back. So if you got short here, your stop would be at the swing high, 30 points. Did it give you the 30 points there? No, 24 of them. So if you were to hold on to stay short, it never came back to your stop, and it went all the way down here like 150 points. Yeah. Oh, and well, no, that's after the fact, but that's like a hidden divergence again right here, from here to here, from here to here. You would have sold right in here, and down it went. Okay, let's get back here to the chart. Okay. That is that. Drifted back down again, lower under here. I thought for sure they were taking it, like right here, they're going to take it back up to where it started, but it's not looking like that now. Okay, what was I just looking at? Gold. Gold, yeah, gold. Okay, and the last one, the last market today, is oil. Ooh, what a mess oil was. So you could kind of call this, I don't know, let's see, a triple top. That's like level divergence. That's a little bit higher, so there's no trade to sell it here. What about here? See, it's going down like that. There's no divergence to buy it there. It's supposed to go up because the price is supposed to go up off of the double bottom formation. So the only thing you could do is buy it somewhere in here, you know, and that's it. It crossed up the 5 above the 7 and la-di-da, and yeah. And that's it. You went and looked in the 1 minute. I'm sure there's some trades, but so anyway, what's Bitcoin doing today? Oh, they sold it back down off 50,000. Motherfuckers. $50,276. Came down $1,800 today in the last, whatever, 8 hours. That's the 4-hour chart looking at. And of course, they took down my XRP too. I'm certain of it. Yeah. Oh, they bought the dip right here. Bastards. They just keep depressing the XRP. Keep doing it, keep doing it. They've been doing it since I've been in it. 2017. December of 2017. I've been long XRP, but not on a fucking chart with margin. There's no way. I would have lost and got rid of them a long time ago. I own the digital coins, not the illusion on a fucking chart. But anyway, okay, so that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank you for coming out and watching and listening. And if you'd like to, press the like button, that'll be cool. If you'd like to subscribe, that'd be cool too. Okay, trade safe, be safe. We'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.